pulling into Fry's. This guy has this fucking BMW parked in the worst spot possible. So I can already see it. Hopefully that's him behind it. Why are you getting out of the car? Move your fucking navigator so I can get behind it. Yo, you want to move this so I can just pull it out backwards?
Sure.
All right. Shouldn't have had to ask that. You should have just kind of assumed, my guy. Where else am I gonna fucking... Christ. Yeah, no, you don't need to go backwards. You need to get completely out of the way, my guy. I have a feeling this is going to be a battery issue with this BMW because he said it sat at a body shop forever. He got it here and that won't start. All right. Let's see. So, do you want me to check the battery or do you just want to tow it?
If you want to check it.
All right.
You know, I'm trying. It lights. The whole thing lights up.
Let me see what it does when you try to crank it. Let's see. So that'll give me a better idea. Yeah, I don't hear a click or anything, so I think I think you're right.
I mean, I'm telling you, it's they actually dropped the front end in.
Okay.
And I think they fucked it.
Right. The license plate's cool. Oh man. Do you know if this has the tow hook for the rear? Let me see, I didn't look until, I didn't think about it until just now. Yeah, it should be right there. So it should be in the trunk, I would think, somewhere. Because all the arms on these things are aluminum. If you pull on them, they'd bend sometimes.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's, you know.
Oh, it's, shit. There might be a, let me see. Might be a manual release. Yeah, right here.
Oh, that's it.
There you go. Should be up here.
Oh, that's what that shit is.
Yeah.
Oh.
Roadside assistance and all that.
I got a 750 and I couldn't figure out what the hell that thing was.
Yeah, so they got this for you. And then we got the screwdriver to pop that out. Go ahead and leave that open. I'll put this back in there right now.
Live and learn.
Yeah. Come on. There. Oh. I don't think this has ever been used. No. Surprisingly. All right. Where does this like to go?
Right there.
Oh, there you go. Perfect. All right. Close that up. And good to go.
So that's connected to the frame.
Yeah, it will be. You got the key, right? I just want to make sure I'm not locking it in there. All right. Yeah, it goes right into the frame. Yeah.
Wow.
They thought of everything.
There's one up front too, right?
Yeah.
Shit, I could have pulled this home.
All right. Yeah, that way I don't have to put these fucking meat hooks on it. All right. Oh, we got to put it in neutral still. Yeah. All right. We just get pictures, the plate and the VIN, and we'll get out of here. Let's see.
Yeah, my driveway is a little bit of an incline. I guess you can leave it on the street, but you don't think you could like kind of roll it?
I'll have to see it. I'm sure we can figure something out. Just, as long as the driveway is not like straight up, it should be fine. Alright. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Let's see. License plate N with 3 A's. AZ. Let's see. Alright. Alright. Hopefully we don't need a ramp. Let's see. Come on, fucking BMWs. They like the brake to be pressed when you shift it. Alright, we're gonna roll this window down too, just in case. So I can leave the keys in here. Alright. We're going 2 miles. So I'm not super worried about getting crazy with the strappage. Since the tow hook is on this side, I'm just gonna do these 2 straps, call it good. Come on. I smell fuel back here too. He said he just filled up, so maybe he spilled a little bit, I don't know. think I'm just gonna go right in between the pumps to get out of here. It's kind of a shit parking lot. Potenza. Let's get out of here. Little red BMW. Alright. Hey Siri, pause. Stupid podcast. Always on pausing. Alright. I'm not gonna worry about pausing the GoPro just yet. So I want to get through here before anybody goes. Okay. Now we can pause the GoPro. Alright, pulling up here about 2 miles away from where we started our journey. Let's see, oops. Do you want it in the garage? I could do that for sure. Yeah, I just can't get it on the driveway because it's too slanted. But yeah, in there is perfect. Which side? Left? Yeah. Okay. He pointed. I'm like, you could be pointing at either side, sir. Nice guy. It's just, I don't know. I say it all the time. People just don't know what I'm looking for or what I'm asking, I guess. It's all good. See where that lands and then we'll go from there. Should be pretty close though.
I just dropped $2,500 in this car.
For the front end?
Yeah.
Damn. You say front end, you mean the body or the steering? Suspension.
Yeah, to change the shocks.
Oh.
Springs, the arms.
Yeah, it seems like it's something with the ignition itself, or the starter wire fell off or something, because it does nothing when you turn the key. It's weird. So. Let me go back just a little bit more. Let's see. Okay. So I'm not trying to push this fucking thing. Okay. Shut the fuck up. Okay, this driveway, hopefully he doesn't get mad about that. Sorry about that, I thought I had more room.
Just that bottom piece.
Yeah. All right. How far in do you need it? Just enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. All right. How close to the wall too? Just so I'd... Okay. The driveway is not helping?
Yeah, I'll push it.
Okay.
That's good.
All right. Oh man.
Can you get out?
Yeah, I got it. Just don't wanna.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Okay.
Just go ahead.
Okay. I still wanna do anything crazy.
Okay.
All right.
We're usually backing in so I can get out.
Oh shit. All right, there's that. Let me get this put away. We'll get you paid up. Yes, sir. Good to go. Alright, it's pulling up to business complex here in Scottsdale. Customer says he has a G-Wagon with a flat tire. He said he put it in a position where a flatbed can grab it real easy. So we'll see how true that is. I see it right now. I don't think it looks like... Well, I mean, I guess it's good enough, but that driveway is super thin. I can't even make that turn into there. So we're gonna have to do something like this and back down the driveway, or the lane, whatever. So there's no shot I was making that turn. So they have this stupid median in the driveway, like a lot of these business parks have for some reason. It's like the dumbest shit. Alright, there we go. That'll work. Backing up, backing up. What's funny is I think we're gonna leave here in reverse. I guess we'll see though. Alright. Oh, you know what? I might be able to back right up to this fucking thing. I thought someone was parked there. Apparently not. Let's see. I would rather not drive too far on a G-Wagon's flat tire slash wheel. It's got to make sense. So let's see here. Oh yeah, we got that all day. Love that. All right. Well, glad I reconsidered that because it would have been a ways comparatively. All right. Hello, hello. Yeah, I was like looking at it. I was like, oh shit, that tire's
Oh, it's gone.
effed. Yeah, I was like, there's no shot I could drive it. I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
WSI, I think, has a gate. Are they open today?
No, not today.
So we putting it on the street?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to make sure. What do you want me to do with the key? I usually leave it on top of a tire because European cars love to lock themselves.
Yeah, let's just do that.
Okay. I'll try to, we'll walk around right now and see if I can't find somewhere to hide it a little better. Is there a hitch on the back?
Probably the gas door.
Is it open from the outside?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll check it out right now. Let's see. Does it open from the outside? Oh, okay, yeah, you just kind of swivel it.
Yeah, but you have to, once you lock it, it'll stay locked, so.
Oh, yeah, see, I don't want it to lock itself in there. Let's see. Is there a hitch cover? There's not. I was gonna say we could slide it in there and then put the hitch cover over it. I could probably slide it behind the license plate.
Yeah, we can definitely do that.
Yeah, you want me to just do that?
Yeah, that would work.
Okay, yeah, that way it's not like in a super conspicuous spot because it's not a bad area, but it's not a great area either. All right, let me get my pictures and then we'll get it going. Oh man. You hit both tires on that side at the same time, I'm guessing?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, because that rear one's looking kind of
Yeah.
dangerous. All right, let me grab the VIN. We are all set. There we go, apply.
Where'd you get your tattoos done at?
There was a guy that used to live here. He lives in Reno now, but it was Apache tattoo or something like that in Mesa. Yeah, you got the key?
Yeah, sure.
Cool. Yeah, I'm covered on all my arms, so I like try to keep them from fading.
Yeah.
I was gonna say take everything off of it. Yeah.
I have my spare key.
Perfect. All right. Wait. Why I like malfunctioned there for a second. Okay. what I think happened here. But I think we all know. Hey Siri, pause. Stupid podcast keeps unpausing. I forgot to turn the radio off. Turbo. Here outside of WSI, waiting for this fucking dickhead to go past me so I can flip around. I don't really want to leave this thing on the street, so I think we're gonna leave it right in the driveway, which I know is not like usual protocol. You're not really supposed to do that, but I'm not gonna leave a G-Wagon on the fucking street in Tempe. That just seems kind of crazy to me. Not that Tempe is like a bad area or whatever, but like, oh, and there's no parking too. You're not supposed to park on the street anyway. Or maybe it starts right there, I don't know. But whatever, either way, we're not doing that. Can you fucking go, dickhead? I appreciate the caution, but move. WSI, Wheel Specialties Incorporated. I was like, what does the I stand for? I had to read the sign. Oh, shit. Keep yawning. Let me fuck that wheel and tire up. Jesus. I don't know why Perry is such a busy fucking street in the middle of a Sunday. There's been like 20 cars that have gone past me in the last couple minutes. Which may not sound like a lot, but this is like a weird side street, like for businesses and shit. And people are going left there. There's a stop sign, so like it's not like it's more efficient or whatever. You gotta wait at the stupid stop sign. And traffic on, what is that, University? Or Broadway, that's south of here? Broadway, I think? Is not light. I don't know. I think about every route that I take, no matter what. I always try to go through lights rather than making unprotected turns. So if you get smoked going through the fucking intersection, you have some kind of you know, protection from insurance or whoever trying to say it wasn't your fault. Unless it really is your fault, you know? Plausible deniability, is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know. I need to eat. Yeah, we're gonna pull this thing right in the driveway, but we're gonna put it on the right side so it's out of the way, because their little keypad is on the left side, so at the very least it'll be out of the way, and I think we'll back it in too since we're putting the key behind the plate. That'll protect it even more, but as long as there's no peering eyes, people can't mind their fucking business, it'll be fine either way. As long as no one sees me stash the keys. Oh, man. Don't usually do outside park jobs, we'd usually do it in 2 tows, but customer wanted it parked outside. So, you know. Parking brake, reverse, and go down nice and slow. 2 hands on the wheel, just in case the tire wants to do any weird shit. Yeah, I can feel it wanting to turn. But just trying to go down easy, easy peasy. All right. I'm gonna go real slow like. So I'm pretty sure that wheel is cooked, but you know, it's not my wheel. So I don't want to be the one to make it fucking super bad. Wow, the throttle tip in on this thing is kind of booty cheeks. There we go. Right where I wanted it. Ooh. Is the wheel still turned? Yes, it is. Why is the steering so, like, what's the word I'm looking for? Slow. The steering ratio is so slow. Ooh. Alright, we'll put it right about there. So it's all the way on the driveway, but it's not touching the fucking gate, you know? Turn the car off. Roll that window up, because that one, they're all down. Okay. And we are good to go. Just enough room from the curb. Saturday by appointment only, but they're absolutely closed on Sundays. Put the keys there. We'll get a picture of that just in case. So you never know. Keys there. And we'll get one from over here. Fucking lime scooter bullshit all over Tempe. Get the WSI logo in the background so we know where it's at from the picture, and we are good to go. Alrighty. Ooh, just got chills. 7:01. I guess I could put the keys in the mailbox, but it's not what the customer asked me to do, so I'm not gonna do it. I'll leave them right where he said he wanted them, or where we decided on. Yep, that'll do it for this one.